from coins to tips to everything I've seen. Like, we have single coins at home, and from time to time we travel and we have some coins. I put it in here. So it's been a year already that I have this, so I wanted to open it now, and let's see how much I have in here. I'm excited. I'm so looking forward. So let's bring it on. So I would like to open it carefully, so I still can tape it, and then save my 1 year next year ahead. So look at this. Look at that, yeah? I also have bills. So yeah, this is all. Look at that. All the coins. So we have bills here, which is, we have 30 euros. Yeah, 30 euros bill. And I'm gonna count this one and let you know how much. €144 for the coins. So it was in total of 8,000 for coins. So yes, here you go. So this is 144 euros. So it is like 8,000 plus in peso. Pwede.